So I'm just down in sunny Chichester, checking out the most ridiculous purchase I've probably ever made, which is this, which is half a plane, well, a section of a plane essentially. Pondering turn this into an IncuHive office, maybe an Airbnb. Just looking at how we might move this to a new site. It's quite whopping, as you sort of expect from a plane. Quite big, doors are intact, etc. And then it's just boarded off at the end at the moment. So obviously we can build some steps and bits and pieces to get in there. It's just quite a chunk to move around, but I'll update shortly on if I get this, how I get it out of sight and what we do with it. But it just looked like fun, ridiculous toys as always, and I'm sure something interesting we can do with it. So back over at the Armoured truck, managed to get all but 2 bolts clean out on the turret, which is now loose. I'm going to try and lift that off with the forklift next. So, crack in progress. Obviously got the top off. This is the original steel from the donor vehicle, the hatch, and then pop up. Just working out where the ring's going to sit, and then we'll cut a hole and then get it all mounted back on with the gun, the whole lot. It's going to look pretty crazy, I'm sure. So hopefully get that ring on, mounted, hole cut fairly shortly, and update again shortly. So today is the day to chop a big hole in the roof of the Armoured truck for the turret to go on. So it's wrapped up at the moment, so we'll chop a hole and yeah, see how that goes. So hole is chopped, we've got it through. I've put some polythene across it, wood at the moment, because it does look a bit ominous outside. We've got the little ladder which will go up so you can poke your head out, etc, etc. It looks like it might rain shortly, so I've got the polythene back over it, wrapped up on a bit of wood over the top. But the hole is cut, you can poke your head out. The next bit is to wrap to line that, and then get the turret, which is over here, wrapped aligned and back on with the hatch to open. So you can climb up from inside, open it, poke your head out and shoot the gun. It is absolutely roasting, it's like 30 degrees today, but it's a gorgeous day, but very, very hot. I've just finished drilling 20 holes in the armoured steel. Took 4 drill bits as normal, but the turret sort of thing is ready to go up, so just cleaning up on top now. So all the holes are drilled. Oh, it's hot. And just setting up all the spray gear, the air fed masks, spray gear, compressors, and we'll see if we can get this sprayed black and then move on to the turret, get it all sprayed and then get it mounted up next and secured. So I'll film some of that. Right, don't know if you had to hear this, got the air fed mask on, we're using some nasty paint, but we're doing this for good spray. This isn't Raptor, this is just matte black 2K paint, so let's get this all sprayed up and then ready to mount. Positive of it being super hot today is the paint cooks off nice and quick. So I've managed to spray, this is the hatch, lifts up the turret, that's the bit which twists round, this is the ammo cam, and I've got the ring all sprayed. This is 2K matte black paint and it's cooking nicely in the sun, setting pretty quick, which is good. And then it's too hot to do any more at the moment, but I'll move on to stripping this down. We're going to Raptor line the Kevlar, so the external plate, this is Kevlar, and the metalwork just in the matte black, and get it all bolted back together. Nice new stainless bolts, the whole lot, and we'll get it mounted up with a forklift, and then yeah, that'll be on top of the truck, looking awesome. So hand over. Door systems all in, swipe card entry, let's wander down this way. This office let, almost finished, just putting in Ethernet Wi-Fi points, lights all in, carpeted, absolutely cracking space. So yeah, this space is already let, hand over, first one we finished, and it's people moving in shortly, all done and dusted. And then wander down this way. I'll just do a quick update where we're up to. So just finishing carpeting the corridor, all door systems are going in. This will be the Fab Lab artist space, and then this will be the studio space as I've shown before. So nothing much changed here, that'll be done once we finish downstairs. Let's go down there. Kitchen going in, Andy working hard, very good. So all painted and decorated round here, so just finishing it all off. Obviously carpet coming out shortly once painting's finished. So it's this way. This will be a meeting room, and then painting and decorating happening all around here. Doors just getting sorted. Yeah, guys have been smashing on here, doing quite a cracking job. All the new rooms looking nice and clean and tidy. Just doing patch repairs before spraying the last coat on. All the LED lighting's in, bagged up. So yeah, I'll update again shortly once we've carpeted and we'll start the sort of IncuHive finish. Got our sofas and bits in already, so looking cool. Windy today as well. Quick update and handover. Finished painting now. So Sam and his team, it's all been painted white, glossed up, all the rooms, etc. Carpet's coming out next, that'll finish it all off. Server kit going in. Kitchen, sort of finished. Linos need to go down the floor. Sink being plumbed in shortly. This is the 4th floor. So get all the carpet out. But all painted nice bright white now. Meeting room to be. And then open plan area and more offices. And all painted. Nice, tidy. Looking very cool. So I'll whiz upstairs, just an update on the studio stuff as well, starting work on that. But yeah, we'll get the carpet out next, carpet done, and then it's just a soft fit out, IncuHive it, and ready to let everyone know. Upstairs in the Fab Lab studio space to be, kit arriving, lights are bagged up to paint now. So we've got all the tools are here, paint gear, stuff to start building the studio, desk for downstairs, furniture, all sorts. It is about 30 degrees today. It's absolutely roasting. The sun is out. It's looking awesome. But yeah, very warm at the moment. But again, yeah, I'll update as we finish off bits upstairs.